Morning and Jai Hind students. Today I am going to show you when we mix two colors what will happen. So I am taking red color and the another color I am going to take it yellow. So which color do you get by mixing this two color? Yes, we get orange color. Same like this. When we mix two letters together, like when we mix two letters together, we get the different sound. We get the different sound. When we mix O and A, we get O sound. When we mix A plus I, we get A. Okay, and when we mix I plus R, we get IR, that R. Okay, so in this way you have to do the assignment related in your LC, the sound of IR, AI and OA. Okay, like I plus R is equal to IR. Example, chip, skirt, circus. Now, so we get found girl, circle, bird. You can find the another's word also with the sound IR. Okay, now let us see the few example of AI sound. Like example, drain. AI says A. Drain. Dre. A. Okay. AI says A. Drain. Plane. Paint. Like this. Train. Pale. Rain. Now it comes OA. OA mixed with together, it becomes O. Like example, road. OA says O. Road, roar, loaf, coat, boat, soap. Okay, so these are the different kinds of sound. Okay, when we mix two letters, we can find the different sound. Now, when you turn the page, you get some exercise related with the sound. Like write some new words that you can make with IR, AI or OA sound. Like IR sound, we can write bird, skirt, chip, shirt, any else. Okay, now AI sound, air, hair, fair, chair. OA, I have told you, when we mix OA, we get O. Goat, coat, goal, road. Now the third B number is fill the blanks with IR, AI and OA sound. CHIRP, chirp, we fill IR. Coal, OA. Skirt, tail, road, stain. Like this you have to fill it. Now the next one, write new words with IR, OA and AI sound. You can write at your own also. You have to write some words related with IR and some words related with OA and AI. So student, I am going to show you the more examples of OA sound. Like soap, you can already read it. Goat, OA. OA mixed with OA sound says O. Toad, boat, coat, roast, boat, toad, coat, loaf, toast, road. Okay, now I am going to show you few example of AI sound like tail, snail, rail, rain, main, train, pain, nail. Okay, now IR sound. Few more example of IR sound. First, bird, chirp, girl or girls, firm, thirsty, skirt, shirt, birthday, dirty, third, stare, 30, circle. Okay, so these are the few sounds, few example of sound of OA, AI and IR. So after listening